Okay, I'm looking at a case number here, 24CO 86045. I'm looking at a case number 24CO 77727. Wow, 5624. What do both of these cases have in common? I had to use devil's piss on 3 different scumbags with 2 different incidents. And one of them was tonight on May 18th, 2024. Now, they were blocking the area with their vehicle sideways. And they all gave me the middle finger when I didn't even beep my horn. So I did not even beep the horn. And they all chose to give me the middle finger. And then the 2 fake wannabe gangsters thought they were going to attack me. And I wasn't having that. There's no way in hell I was having that. And they fucked around and got pissed on the face by the devil. Okay? The devil took a good leak on this white trash's face that jumped out of a 4-door blue pickup truck that was on the property near the plaza near Kwik shop. Now, they got pissed on the face by the devil, and the devil pissed right on their face. Now, in case you don't know about that devil's piss, believe me, and I'll say it again, believe me when I tell you this, you don't want that devil's piss to the face. You don't. I'm sorry, you don't want that devil's piss to the face. Now, 2 of them, a thugged out Oreo or a thugged out African American, and a wannabe white trash scumbag or another wannabe. Okay, they thought they were going to assault me in my vehicle, and I'm sorry, I was not having it. So the devil pissed on their face. So what? They're being treated by the medic. The question that I have is, hopefully they learned, but if you are watching this video, can you reach out to me? Do you know if they will do it again? Or will they change their ways? Wow, I love it. So the devil pissed on their face for trying to assault me through the window of my vehicle. I don't like people posing a threat to me, so I rendered that threat useless, and it feels great. Wow, it feels really good. It feels real good. And I'll tell you one more time, it feels real good. Was it really worth all of them giving me the middle finger and starting a problem with me to only try to assault me, only for me to render the threat useless? If those were your best fake gangsters in the area, wow, you better start abiding the law is what I recommend, because that's what the fuck I do. I abide the law. I don't break laws, and I do not harass people. You scumbag, stupid son of a bitches. In that blue pickup truck, maybe, possibly a Ford. Now, you did throw something at my vehicle on 2 occasions, but I don't give a shit. You were rendered useless to me, and that's what needed to be done. Thank you. I'll take it all the way to trial if I have to, but don't do that again to me again. Don't ever do that again. Do not try to assault the white man. Trump 2024, baby. You know my name.